what's going on inside here? So in this video, I'm going to talk about off-site SEO. So what is that, right? So it's actually all about link building. It's all about building high quality links to your site, right? So there are many ways of doing that, right? The first one is guest post. So you can actually reach out to other blogs and see, hey, if they allows you to post your content on their blog. And sometimes it's free. Sometimes you have to pay a price, but it's a great way to get a high quality link from other blogs. Also, you can go to blog commenting. So you can go to comment on other people's posts. And if they approve your comment, you will get a link to your site. Also, you can go to some website like Forums or some like CNN or Adobe to create your personal profile. And in the profile, you can put a link to your site. Another way you can do about that is you can build what we call the private blog network. So that is a blog you build to build a link to your site. So it's more advanced strategy, but it's really great as well. Another one is you can actually go to Q&A site, or you can go to forums, or go to online communities like Reddit, right? And you can go there to share your content or to answer those questions. And that's where you can get links as well. And also you can share your content on social media. And if people like it, they can share it and they will get more link to your site. And the most important part is you want to create a piece of really shareable content. So when people see it, they like it and they will share it. That's the most efficient way for you to get lots of links, right? So the key here is you want to be authentic. So you don't want to use like a software or like robot to post content automatically. Even though it's really efficient, it's actually not that great because those links most of the time are really low quality. So you want high quality link, right? Also, you want your approach to be natural. So if you try to spam on other people's blog, or you try to post like spammy content, even though in the short term, you may get some SEO benefit, in the long term, it's actually really bad because Google is getting smarter and smarter. So they can detect those spam really easily. And you want to make sure your link is contextual, which means you don't post a random link in a random place. You want to make sure the link is within an article and is in contextual. And the most important part, you want to focus on quality and not quantity, right? Like the quantity doesn't matter. If you get a bunch of spamming link, it's just decrease your rank, right? So there are 4 ways you can do to build your backlink. The first one is you can earn it. So which means you publish a really great piece of content and people like it, they will just share it naturally. Another one is you can build it. So you can actually create a website and then you can put some content in it and you can link back to your blog. So that's another way to do about that. Another one is you can buy it. So you can outsource someone to do that for you. Or sometimes you can just pay those bloggers so that you can post on their blog. And the last way is you can exchange it. So if there's some business partner, you can just exchange link on your site.